Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear student. How are you? Most probably you are good. And I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to conduct online class for class 8 English grammar. You are welcome to my class. Please stay at home and keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Today I shall discuss about changing sentence. You know, a sentence can be changed in two ways. A sentence can be changed in two ways. First of all, you have to know what is sentence. When a group of words or a group of parts of speech are interlinked with each other chronologically, maintaining its order, and expresses a complete sense, that is a sentence. This must be a meaningful sense. You cannot say a horse is flying in the sky. It will be meaningless. So in order to be a sentence, it must be meaningful. Okay, so sentence can be changed into two ways. One is conversion of sentence, another is changing sentence. What is conversion of sentence? When we do not we change the form of sentence, also the meaning of the sentence will change, then it is called conversion of sentence. And changing sentence, what is changing sentence? When we change the form of a sentence and the meaning will also not change, then it will be called changing sentence. So we are going to make changing sentence for class 8 today. Today I shall discuss about affirmative to negative and vice versa. Okay. First of all, you have to know this is a part of transformation of sentence. How you can transform a sentence in almost four ways. You can convert a sentence in almost 4 ways. Okay. One is 5 types of sentence, 5 kinds of sentence: affirmative, imperative, optative, interrogative, exclamatory. And another is simple, complex, compound. Another is degree, comparison of degree. Another is voice, changing voice. By these 4 types you can transform sentence. So these 4 types are included to transformation of sentence. Today we are going to discuss about conversion, changing sentence, affirmative to negative and vice versa. First of all, you know, affirmative to negative. To negative. Okay, affirmative to negative. Suppose I shall remember you. This is affirmative sentence. Okay, this is affirmative sentence. When I shall do it negative, then just look carefully. After shall, after auxiliary verb, I have to put not, I have to write not, and then antonym of this word. Auxiliary verb not, and then antonym of the word. then will be automatically negative sentence. So please note, I shall not. Okay, not. What is the antonym of remember? Antonym means the word which is opposite. So remember, forget. I shall not forget. You. Okay, I shall not forget you. So you can write subject, auxiliary, then not, then antonym. Okay, subject, auxiliary, not, antonym, extension. Okay, this is one, this is rule 1. So now we are going to rule 2, the second rule. If you see in a sentence, everybody, everyone, every man, like that. Okay, so what will be like the negative of the sentence? So everybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, there is no. So how? Affirmative. See, everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower. What will be the negative of this sentence? There is no, and you should say but. How? There is, sorry, in negative you have to write there is no, this is body, so there is no body, and also but, there is nobody but likes flower. There is nobody but likes flower. That means everybody likes flower. Okay. This is rule number 2. I have discussed already. Now we shall discuss about rule number 3. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about rule number 3. Another rule. This is not how you have to maintain the chronology of the rule number, but I am just mentioning this in my class. If you see in a sentence only, alone, if you see in a sentence only or alone, suppose, so if you see in a sentence only or alone, so you have to write none but. If this is a person, none but. If this is an object, nothing but. Okay, so let's see. Only Allah can help you. Can help you. Okay, if you do it negative, what will be? If you do it negative, what will be? In spite of only, in spite of only you have to put none but. So none but Allah can help you. Help you. Okay. So none but Allah can help you. Suppose you can say only the Titanic can save you. So how you can change it? Nothing but Titanic can save you. So we are going to the next rule. We are going to next rule. Okay. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. If you see in a sentence always, if you see in a sentence always, affirmative, always. So suppose always speak the truth. In negative, you should write never. Okay, never. So how this will be? Affirmative. Suppose he is always honest. He is always honest. So if you do negative this, he is neighbor. Be careful that in spite of always you have written neighbor. So this should be antonym, then antonym. Okay, then the meaning of the sentence will not change. He is never dishonest. He is never dishonest means he is always honest. Okay, so rule number 4 already we have discussed. Now we shall discuss about must, the sentence which have must. Okay, must. If you see in a sentence must in affirmative, how we can do it negative? Cannot but cannot but. Suppose affirmative sentence, right? He must do it. He must do it. So what will be the negative of the sentence? So see, he. So cannot but. In spite of must, you have to put cannot but. He cannot but do it. Do it. We can write also it. He cannot help doing it. You can also write this. Okay. So we have already discussed rule number 5. We have already discussed the rule number 5. Okay, this is the rule number 5, and we shall discuss next rule number 6. Rule number 6. Okay, rule number 6. If you see in a sentence both Karim and Rahim are guilty, or both Karim and Rahim have done the work, so what will be the negative? Not only one sentence but also another sentence. How? Affirmative. See, both Rahim and Rahman are guilty. Okay, guilty, committed crime. Okay, so not only Karim, this is not only Karim, negative, not only Karim but also Rahim is guilty. This is singular, since Rahim is singular, but also Rahim, not only Karim but also Rahim is guilty. Okay, so dear student, hope you are fine and running your day is fine. Inshallah, see you soon, most probably. Please stay at home. Thank you for staying with me.